Hello! How are you? How are you? Hope you're doing well. I hope you're doing well. Anyway, done exploring for now. Done exploring Morocco, Agadir. So, back in England, explore some of the items that we've got here locally at your B&M, your pound shop, your Asda's, Morrison's. So this is the product. And here we are with the introduction. So, hello, how are you? How are you? You know what? It's flashing. It's flashing that it's about to die. The battery's about to go. So, let's see if it goes. Let's see if it runs. Let's see if it runs through. Let's give it a go. So, what have I got? Local business. McVities. McVitie's Club Orange. We've all had them. We've all had them. They've always been in our lunch boxes. For some people it's been the Penguin, other people's McVitie, but guess what? They're run by the same company, so it's the same biscuit. Variation of the same biscuit. But what have I got now? I've got something different. It's orange flavour. Cost me £1, and from supermarket. So because it cost me £1, I thought, why not review it? Why not review it? I grabbed a couple actually. Grabbed a couple at the time, and the reason I did that was they were available. They were available. So let's open this bad boy up. You get seven in the pack. I'm a vegetarian as well. I almost forgot to ask that question, because generally I don't when I'm travelling. You never know they are vegetarian or not. So, suitable for vegetarians, I presume not vegans. The reason I presume not vegans, milk chocolate, covered in milk chocolate. Milk chocolate generally probably means it's not vegan. Sorry, you chaps who are vegan, chap and chapettes. Let's give it a go. Open it up. Open it up. Come on, open up, bad boy, bad boy. It's entertaining. I can't open some bars of chocolate. Let's in go the teeth. I didn't want to do that. In go the teeth. That's what you get. So that's what you get. It's a bar. I would say 3 to 4 inches worth of chocolate in a block. 22 grams it says. Let's flick that round so you know I'm not lying, and that's what it actually is. But it's not focusing in, so you have to take my word for it. There you are, that's my word, take it. So, yes, that's what it is, it's chocolate. So, before I've even unravelled it, I could sniff I could smell the orange coming through. So that's nice. It's got my saliva going, got me a bit excited. Orange chocolate from McVities. In case you forget, it's orange chocolate. It says it there. It says orange chocolate. So, you know, constant reminder. Let's unravel this. Taking the paper off. The advertisement on the floor, it went on the floor. It's foiled wrap, but the entire paper. Maybe it'll keep it fresh, maybe it won't. Who's to know? But nevertheless, let's give it a go. Now, I like that. It's got a nice thick layer of orange chocolate. Nice balance of orange chocolate with the actual chocolate orange and the actual chocolate. Lovely balance there. The wafer, it's not a wafer, the biscuit inside is nice and crunchy, lovely. Just like what you're used to. It's an average size biscuit, or smaller than that average size biscuit. That would be, you know, in the size, in the sense of a, you know, a brick shape. That's it. Now, I presume you can't really tell that it's got a decent amount of chocolate, but it has, it's got a decent amount of chocolate. And it doesn't just end there, it follows through with a lighter layer around the end. And because of that lighter layer around the end, it basically allows that flavour to carry through, but doesn't overwhelm the biscuit. It gives it a good balance. Nice crunch to it. You know, nice lovely biscuit. Decent level, and the flavour. I'm loving this orange flavouring. Sometimes in the past I've been disappointed with other brands. They've not quite reached the standard. Whereas this, you could buy it for £1, a pack of 7. I think they may have gone up because of inflation. All of a sudden prices have hyped up, gone up quite a bit. Whereas this, when I bought this, it was at £7. It was 7 for £1, not at £7. Mind you, give it a little bit of time, it probably will be £7. So yes, it's 7 for £1 when I bought it, and I thought it was quite a decent price. It was noting that it was saying that it was marked down, you know, like a opening offer, if you like, an opening offer. But I felt, even though it was an opening offer, I could catch this on a regular basis. You know, 7 for £1, especially with the McVities club. Maybe not so much now. I think they would be gone up by maybe 50p, so it may be £1.50. But if you get them for £1, fantastic. I got them from a supermarket, so for the Americans, a grocery shop. So yeah, I got it from a grocery shop, and yeah, it's lovely. How would it be after a sandwich? Because generally that's what you have with your lunchbox in England anyway, and that's the memories I have of it, of having not so much the orange, the original flavour, but how would it be, how would the orange be with, I think it'd be fantastic. It'd be nice little finish to the actual lunch. It'll be nice little sweet, nice little taste. Yeah. Well, I feel you could take it up a notch, a decent amount, by introducing a cup of tea with it. A cup of tea would be absolutely a step up, and we'd be talking an amazing finish to the lunch. An amazing, not just an average finish to the not just a nice finish to the lunch, an amazing finish to the lunch. And there you go. You can kind of spot how it's got a decent amount of chocolate there. No, you can't. It's still blurry, but I was hoping you might have been through that, but there you go. Not always work out how you want it to be. Let's give it a go. Yeah, lovely. That was proper tasty. Well loved that. Well loved that. Will I be buying it again? Spot it for £1, of course, I'll be at it. It's they've done themselves proud. The McVitie's Club Orange. They've done themselves proud. I think it's a player. It's a player. Absolutely fantastic in all different ways. With a cup of tea as a biscuit, you know, it'd be fantastic. Maybe not the dipability so much, but nevertheless it'd be fantastic with a cup of tea, either with a chai or a English cup of tea. It'd be fantastic with a coffee. It'd be fantastic. What else would it be lovely with? At the end of a meal, at dinner time, I feel it'll be fantastic. If you want to sort of like push the whole concept of diabetes onto your children after a packed lunch, it would be fantastic. You know, so lovely all round, lovely all round. Worth a try, well worth a try. What do you think? I'm not a dictatorship here. I'm not going to tell you you should buy it and that's the end of it. There's no Chairman Chow here. There's no, you know, it's not North Korea here. It's not, you know, India dictating to you what you should be. Well, aren't we glad that ended where it did? I'm glad that the battery ran out there. It's picking a fight with whole nations there. Picking a fight with whole nations. Anyway, do subscribe, like, share, comment. Share it with your friends. Toodaloo for now. Bye. See you later.